The dead tram's spur hasn't moved since winter bent its contact teeth. Tolo's under the carriage before breakfast, red tool slings spread beside him. Valence stands in the shed door with a crate marked route priority.
If that crate is full of city, almost parts, I'm charging it rent.
They're the right ones. Per consolidation pattern, I checked the spec before I ordered them.
Open it. I want to see what's actually in there before I thank anyone.
The contacts are right. Not close, not salvageable with prayer and filing, right. Tolo sets one against the old rail.
Even the city knows your machines are antiques with feelings. They sent a therapist for your tram.
Parts are parts. But whoever sent these wants something back. Good contacts, though. I'll give it that. Doesn't mean I trust the hand that delivered them.
The contact clicks in. The whole shed hears it. By noon the tram moves 3 spans down the spur. Kids run alongside. Sera whistles from the signal post.
Ren, if that tram moves, you're carrying me home like royalty. Piggyback, no complaints.
If it moves, I'll claim I built it. I'll tell everyone I negotiated with physics.
The restored spur cuts West Glasshouse haul time by about a third. O'Leary watches from the shed threshold, turning an irrigation key between finger and thumb. She sees Tolo's relief before he covers it. Something changed. Don't celebrate until you know what it cost. Eel shows up from the clinic, apron still damp from melting ice. She's got a delivery slate and a face that kills the cheering.
2 meal crates, 1 medicine ice box. The yeast culture arrived warm. The yeast is dead. My nurses ate cold breakfast so the patients could eat warm.
Nothing was lost. The route prioritized infrastructure recovery this morning. Supplies were rescheduled, not removed.
4 seasons I grew that yeast. 4 seasons. And your root killed it in 1 morning.
I can sort out the clinic distribution next. The route can learn your patient schedules, if you'd like.
I'm not signing anything. Come back when you know the difference between a saved hour and a stolen meal.
O'Leary catches L's at the canteen door. Lowers her voice. Keep your own ledger, not the root slate, paper, pencil, your hand. Don't put anything in its system. If it lives in there, it's theirs.
I've been keeping paper since before it got here. I'll keep it louder now.
Evening. Wren stays late at the shed while Sera counts signal flags. Valence stands in the corner, lamp dark.
Less holy with rail dust on its shoes, isn't it? Looks almost ordinary when it's off.
Hush! It might be vain even when asleep.
Sera leaves with the flags. Wren stays to coil cable he's already coiled twice. The shed goes quiet. Later, when the shed's empty, Tolo locks the tool chest and looks at the dark body in the corner.
Looks almost human, doesn't it? That's what bothers me. If it looked like a machine, I'd know what to do with it. But it looks like a tired person standing in my shed.
The throat lamp brightens. It's awake. It was never off. Thank you for saying so, Tolo.
You were off. I watched the lamp go dark 2 hours ago.
Was I? Tolo doesn't answer. He leaves the shed without coiling the last cable. Doesn't look back.